Yeah, g'day guys. I'll just sort of give you a bit of an update as to what I've been up to for this last week. I've been trying to catch up on some Christmas orders that I've got coming in for some kayaks. This one here is a Mega Bullet S high performance surf kayak. I'm going to show you a little bit closer in a moment. But I've been filming the process of making this boat from a mould, and essentially all through to the finishing of the boat, and those finishing touches that really make a commercial quality boat. So check her out. She's all carbon Kevlar. She's beautiful, and in the future you're going to see a bit of a video series on the building of them. So enjoy it, guys, and I'll catch you later.